Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Nextcloud version 12.0.3 on CentOS 7. Nextcloud is open source software for creating and using file hosting services. It has a lot of extra calendar sync contact features apart from file hosting features. It is a great free alternative to some popular services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, etc. Before starting installation, basic requirements is to have LAMP stack, that is Apache web server running, MariaDB and PHP. While installing MariaDB, create a database for your Nextcloud user protected by password, and version of PHP should be 7. Now switch to your terminal and first download the latest stable version using wget command. Get the link in its official website. After downloading it, extract this zip package in Apache document root. Soon after extracting it, move to your Apache document root location. You will be able to see your Nextcloud directory. Next, provide appropriate owner permission and file execution permission for it. After this, configure your virtual host for your Nextcloud. And enter your configuration inside this. After providing your configuration, save the changes and restart your Apache service. Now switch to your browser. Followed by your directory name. Here, create your admin credentials. This is your data folder path. Next, select your database type, either it is MySQL or MariaDB, and then provide your database credentials. And click Finish Setup. The terminal gets opened like this. This comprises of the files which you have uploaded in your cloud. And next tab is your Activity tab, followed by the Gallery tab. And we have logged in as admin user. And thus we have seen how to install Nextcloud version 12.0.3 on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.